The future is bright here at Peers Incorporated. We're a part of your UCI life. We can advise you, we can support you, we know how to help you succeed.
Hello, my name is Nadim Youssef. I'm a third-year biological science major with political science minor. I am your serving PAA for 2023-2024. You can also find me across campus through many sectors as an undergraduate representative for the Student Health Insurance Advisory Committee, and also the serving president for the Orthodox Christian Fellowship. A fun fact about myself is that I like to go to the beach at night. It's strange, but I like it. I am Peers Inc. I've been trained to help you succeed.
Carefully helping any student that comes our way, we can help advise you on classes, requirements, resources, and more. We can help transform honor students into successful peers with awesome and great service. Every time you need some advice, Peers Inc. is there.
I'm Neel. I use he/him pronouns, and I'm a third-year human biology major. I'm not just a peer academic advisor. I'm also a student researcher, president of MedLife at UCI, and a member of the tennis club. And I'm Peers Incorporated. I've gone through the trials of being an honor student. I know what it's like, and because of that, I can give advice.
We know the challenge of navigating UCI and balancing honors with other requirements.
We know that honor students can feel confused, lost, or just in need of help. And that's why we have the best peer academic advisors to support you on your journey. We are prepared for any future challenges that you might face.
Hi, I'm Gabriel. I'm a third-year computer science and engineering major with a statistics minor, and I'm a peer academic advisor. I'm not just a PAA. I'm also a board member for the Club Mayas, Latinos in Science and Engineering, and I play intramural sports at the ARC. And I'm Peers Incorporated. I remember when I first came here, I didn't know where anything was or how to make a course plan. Now, I know how to do both of those things, and I can help you, too, as a PAA.
Here on the 5th floor of the Science Library, our amazing peer academic advisors will help you feel better prepared for tomorrow.
Hello, my name is Eva Clough, and I'm a third-year English major with a minor in creative writing, and my pronouns are she, her. When I'm not peer academic advising, I am doing drama through the theater department here at UCI, and I am Peers Incorporated.
My name is Jacob Liu, and I'm a third-year human biology major, and I use pronoun he/him. In addition to peer academic advising, I'm also an undergraduate student researcher and the president of Morning Sign Out at UCI, a student-run biomedical publication, and I'm Peers Incorporated.
Also, feel free to use CH Chat or email us at honors.paa@uci.edu for any other questions.
I'm Khai-Linh, pronouns she, her, hers, and I'm a third-year psychological science and criminology double major. In addition to being a peer academic advisor, I'm part of LBO, an on-campus staff team, and the Evolution, Culture, and Stereotyping Lab, and I'm Peers Incorporated.
We're Team Angel from Peers Incorporated. We advise so you can reach new heights.